Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out a full face of Ulta Beauty makeup. So the main thing I'm going to be focusing on in this video is the foundation that I'm trying, and I picked up the Ulta Demi Matte Foundation. So this is supposed to be for people who have really oily skin, so that's definitely my skin type. So I'm going to be testing this throughout the day and seeing how it works. Along with this foundation, I'm going to be trying this mattifying primer and also the mattifying setting spray. I also picked up this little box from Ulta. It was $25 and it comes with 7 makeup products in it. And on top of that, because I spent over $20 on the Ulta brand, I got this free makeup bag that comes with a ton of makeup inside. So yeah, it came with all this free makeup like eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, lipstick, a makeup brush, literally all kinds of makeup. So yeah, I'm going to be testing a ton of these products in this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to try is this juice infused lip oil. It came in this box. This is in the scent jojoba and peach. I think this is one of the things I was most excited to try because it just sounds like it's going to be amazing. This is supposed to be really hydrating and good for your lips. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and try out the mattifying face primer. I got this little sample. It says that it is oil-free, paraben-free, controls shine, and blurs pores. So one thing that caught my eye about this primer is that it has the ingredient salicylic acid in it, which is a really good ingredient if you have acne-prone skin or oily skin. So hopefully this helps control my oily skin throughout the day. We will see. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the foundation. So the foundation I'm trying is the Ulta Demi Matte Foundation. It's oil-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and it has SPF of 20, which is great. So I'm going to be applying my foundation with my beauty blender because this has always been my favorite way to apply foundations. And I am using the color Cool Tan. And this foundation comes with a pump, which I really like. So it looks like it's a really thick, moussey consistency, which I like when foundations are like that because I feel like it covers my skin the best. So I am really loving the coverage of this foundation so far. I would definitely call this a medium coverage foundation. I think it's definitely buildable to a full coverage. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this foundation with some powder. Unfortunately, I didn't get a powder from the Ulta brand, so I'm just gonna use this Tarte finishing powder, and I'm using a brush by Morphe. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use the blush and bronzer from this makeup bag. So it just came with this mini sample palette with blush and bronzer. For the bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and use this angled contour brush by Urban Studio. Okay, and for the blush, I'm going to try out this blush brush that came in this makeup bag as well. And then for highlight, I'm going to try the highlighter that came in this box here. So this is in the color Radiant Diamond. Okay guys, so I definitely just realized that I forgot a concealer. So it's kind of too late now, so I'm just going to go without concealer today. So now I'm going to be moving on to eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this little eyeshadow palette right here that came in this box. So I'm going to go in with this color Suede. I'm going to try the color Pinup Girl on my lid. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with this color Valentine. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some liquid eyeliner. So out of all this makeup, it did not come with any liquid eyeliner, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Stiletto liner. Okay, so now I'm going to be trying out two of Ulta's mascaras. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this one first. This is the Plush Drama. So, I don't know. This mascara feels super dry, like almost like it's old. So, I don't know. I don't really like it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try this one, the Amped Lashes. This one's the same way. I don't really like it. Okay, so that was the mascara. I just think it's just your average mascara. It's not anything amazing. So yeah, I guess all that's left to do now is my lips. So now I'm gonna try this lipstick by Ulta, and this is in the color Pink Chocolate, and it looks like a really pretty nude color. Okay, and then I'm going to apply this lip gloss on top of that, and this is also by Ulta Beauty, and this is a lip plumping top coat, and this is in the color Ethereal. I just thought it looked so gorgeous. Ooh, I think that's so pretty. Okay, so the last thing for me to try is the matte makeup setting spray. Ooh, it smells really good. It has like a floral scent to it. Alright, so that is the completed look. So now the ultimate test is to see how this all wears throughout the day. So it is currently oops, let me turn my brightness up. So it is currently 11:30 a.m. So I am going to be checking in with you guys throughout the day to just see how this is wearing. And yeah, I will probably do a final check-in tonight, probably around like 8 p.m. That way I will have been wearing this foundation for a full 8 hours, and we will see how it works out. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Hi you guys, so it is about 3 o'clock right now, so it has been about 3.5 hours since I've applied this makeup, and my skin is pretty shiny right now. And I'm kind of surprised how shiny it is because I used both a mattifying primer and mattifying foundation and setting spray. So I'm going to go ahead and blot right now, but other than being shiny though, I really love the coverage of this foundation. Like, it makes my skin look like I have no pores, and this foundation has not oxidized. It's stayed its true color, which is a huge plus for me because so many foundations oxidize and this one hasn't. So I'm really impressed with that. So I'm going to be using this CoverGirl Clean Matte Compact. Okay, so that definitely helped get rid of some of the shine. So I really like this little compact for blotting my face. So I will check back in with you guys by the end of the day to give you guys my final thoughts. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so it is a lot later now. It is 7:51 p.m. So it has been a full 8 hours since I've been wearing this makeup, and I only blotted my face the one time, which was with you guys. So my skin is pretty shiny right now. However, this is honestly not that bad. My skin can get way, way worse. So with that being said, this foundation is definitely my favorite as far as coverage goes because I really like the way it made my skin feel. So out of all the makeup I tried in this video, I pretty much loved everything except for the mascaras. I really didn't think that they were anything that great. They were kind of just your average mascara. So I just don't think that they're worth the money. I think that there's definitely better mascaras out there. But other than that, I loved everything else. Like, I loved the eyeshadows. I absolutely loved the lip oil. Oh my gosh, you guys have to try that. So I'm definitely going to be using this foundation again, and when I do, I am definitely going to make sure I have my powder with me so I can blot my face throughout the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited now to go wash my face and take this makeup off and go to bed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!